Need to make a monosource play through both stereo channels? This workflow is useful when a one-channel recording needs a conventional two-channel container. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open mono to stereo converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a source file. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. The mono signal is duplicated to left and right. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a two-channel MP3 with identical channel content. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Duplicating mono does not create real stereo width. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.